Most how-to videos online, whenever they're changing or doing different things on a construction site, I always feel like they leave really important parts out, like the whole permit process to even doing the work, whether or not these companies are even pulling the permits. This video is going to outline, start to finish, how we go about doing a culvert install.
Hello?
Hey, what's some backstory to this culvert? Like, how come they need this culvert replaced?
It's caving in. It's
Okay.
been caving in for a while for them, so they've been waiting on their permit, and they went ahead and bought their own culvert. So we're just doing a T&M.
T&M stands for time and materials. Basically, these jobs are just ran by the hour. Whatever materials it took, there's a flat rate for that, and whatever our hourly rate is for our machines, that's what we charge. However long we're there for, we charge. Generally, we charge a 4-hour minimum. That's kind of the going rate around here. So that's what T&M means, time and material. Okay, what type of culvert is it, do you know?
9 meter wide, 1 meter round, galvanized steel culvert.
I hate getting stuck behind these slow backhoes. Oh my God, get off the road, man. Just kidding, it's Alan! Alan! It's actually kind of a bigger culvert. I didn't expect it to be that size. That's a big culvert. It's 9 meters long by a meter round, and it's galvanized steel. It's a fairly big one.
What they call 2 gauge.
2 gauge?
Yeah, that's the thickness of the steel.
She's thick. Okay, so this is where this beast is going. There's an existing one and it's just crushed. Right here, it goes across the laneway. One really important thing when doing these is making sure that you have locates, which we have right here. So these are done by a private company called ProMark, Hydro, all that stuff, and they tell you if you're clear to dig or if you're not clear to dig, and we are clear to dig on this site. Slow down, Al. Oh, he missed!
Oh, where are they going for glass?
Okay, truck is here with gravel. He was actually on his way whenever Corey called. Oh, I don't know what we do in today's world without drones. So, you guys saw we got the gravel spread here. So Al's going to now push it all up, clean this all up, come out to here. Now we're getting rid of everything here. So this is stuff's gonna go to the scrap pile. So we're loading out the culvert with the front end. We got the truck sitting there. He's gonna drive up, dump it into the back, good to go. So we got that piece, and then there's one big one here, and then that's it. Flatten out this gravel. We had a little too extra, so we'll just give these nice freshen up on the laneway, and we're good to go. All right, this stuff's all loaded up. It'll head back to the yard. We'll finish flattening out. That's how you do a culvert, baby. I think we haven't even been here an hour yet. All right, ladies and gents, that is it. Let's look at the final product. Everything went awesome. We were there. Trucks definitely don't slow down whenever you're working on the side of the road. Always pay attention. If you see if you're in construction and you're driving a dump truck and you see guys working on the side of the road, just slow down a bit, you know? This is the final product. We obviously left it a little bit high, but that's because we will be coming back to roll this and give it a pack, get everything a nice roll, nice finish. This is how she turned out. New culvert installed. Dandy looking job. Awesome work, everybody. On to the next, baby, on to the next. This is definitely the most equipment that we've ever had on this float. We've got the 308, the skid steer, and then the roller. As you can see, we kind of ran out of chains. I mean, it's here now. For legal purposes, we'll say we didn't drive on the road with the ratchet straps and we had enough chains. Look at that. Wow. All right, we're at a barn project. You guys, about a month and a half ago, I think, we had a video of me and the backhoe digging this barn out. And what we're gonna be doing is bringing in a bunch of gravel, packing it, and prepping the pad for a concrete pour. So this is the barn area here. First thing that we gotta do is we're gonna be taking along the stuff along the edge, cleaning it up, laying insulation down the whole perimeter of it, and then bringing in the gravel and doing it all up. But we also gotta clean up this stuff here, clean up the floor, make it so it's all neat and tidy. That tire's gonna...
Well, yeah, I'm a pro!
This is basically the barn, and like we're gonna eventually use this as shop space, heated place. We're gonna be putting a heated floor in it and everything. It's gonna be awesome, but we don't know if we're gonna get to that before winter. But in the meantime, we're gonna be using it to store this. My poor combine sitting out here in the rain, getting all wet. So it'll be nice to get it in the shop nice and dry, so it's not sitting out here in the harsh elements of the Canadian winter. And the old Ford truck, it'll be going in here as well too. See, I need like a whole building now just to store the shit that I keep buying. All this and more continued on Friday. We got a very special video for you guys on Friday. Make sure you guys are staying tuned, subscribing. Appreciate you guys. Take care. Catch you on the next one. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below. Let the water flow. Why are you commenting down below, let the water flow? Well, we put that culvert in and we got the water flowing beautifully. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, let the water flow. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.